Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Tamia and thank you for joining. Today I have a hair and makeup combo for you. This AFROPUFF with a little sparkle, shimmer, and shine on my eye. If you want to see how I did this look, then just stay tuned. I'm going to simply mix these two with my fingers. I use 2 parts of the Covergirl to 1 part of the foundation. Get my contour on with this creamy contour from Anastasia. Brows can definitely stand a little bit of grooming, so I'm just going to go in and pluck away. Difference in the brows. This is a shimmer veil in Soleil by CoverFX. The second you put it on, you gotta rub it in. Otherwise, it'll dry too fast. The whole purpose is to have a summer fresh look. This side is the desired look. This side, I definitely killed the vibe, but I'm just gonna go with that. Now I'm gonna go in with Urban Decay's Naked Heat palette. It's a small palette. These are the colors. It gets the job done. Perfect for summer. We're going to take a little of the CoverFX veil. We're gonna put it right up here for a little shimmer. LimeCrime Diamond Dew in Starlight. So easy to apply. It comes with its own little brush attached to the top, like this. I go with Dose of Colors Shady. It's a matte eye color. Matte Black Liner by NYX. I'm going to apply to my waterline. It's right into my eye duct. Matte and Wispies. For my lips, we have Ultra Cushion Gloss by Urban Decay. I'm going to show you how I get this. It's not really a bun. I attempted to do a bun the other day, and I realized that I liked my hair just free in this AFROPUFF. It's definitely growing, it's definitely getting longer, so a bun. If I want to have sleek hair, I'll do it in a bun. If not, I'll just let it be free. So all you need is, instead of wetting my hair, I'm going to use this Minoy leave-in conditioner from Carol's Daughter. Obviously I use it. I'm going to use this hair gel, this Gorilla Snot, to hold my hair up. And I'm also going to use mane and tail conditioner. Part to ensure I'm applying it to the ends of my hair. No curl left out. Throw this thing up, which I am now ready in the Miami heat and humidity. This is what helps to hold my ponies and buns very well. And I just brush it up. Snatch them right on up. Take your hair time. It's 1 time, 2 times. I have enough for 3. So I'm gonna go with that. Actually, yeah, we're just gonna go 3. And voila. There you have it. Sometimes I will add a scarf. It just depends on the look, but this is it, guys. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and there will be more to come with my natural hair. There will be a link above how I straighten my hair. If you guys haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, hit that button below. So just check out the playlist, check out all my other videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Tell your friends, your coworkers, If they need any makeup tips or hair tips and tricks or whatever, just spread the word. So again, I thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.